You ready, bro?
All right.
What are we feeling?
You gotta, shoot, I don't know, man. Honestly, God, no idea.
You have no idea?
No idea.
I'm assuming you leave your hair like this.
Yeah.
So are you looking to get like the curtain bangs cut a little bit? I feel like we can cut them down maybe to like a little bit below like eyelid level.
Yeah.
And kind of match that length going backwards. And
Yeah.
maybe give you like a very soft, like a one taper. It's nothing too crazy. And we'll cut the curtains first.
Right.
And then I'll match that length going backwards. And then I can just trim the back maybe like 2 inches, 1.5 inches. What do you think?
No idea, but let's get it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Or
No
let's
idea
just buzz it all off. Like,
all right, I'm down with what
all right, we'll do the curtains, and then from there you can tell me how much you want on the sides. But I'm thinking like a 1.5 taper on the sides.
Yeah.
And just keep things like very like natural.
Yeah.
You know, nothing too crazy.
Okay.
Is that cool?
That sounds cool.
All right, let's get it. All right guys, so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna establish the length here on the curtains. From the curtains, we're gonna work our way around the head. So the most important part is where we're gonna keep this. So we're gonna first start off by saturating the hair. Make sure it's nice and wet. Comb the water back. We're gonna aim the curtain bangs to fall almost at the eyelid level, right there. Gonna be the first, basically 1, 2, 3. Now this piece of hair, I'm gonna match it to this one on the side over here. So I can just pull this to the side. So now the next thing is we want to separate the hair and organize the hair. We can do so many different things. We can make a box section, or we can do something like this. I already see the cowlick right here. The bending of the comb is perfectly right here where it already naturally parts. So that's perfect. Now what we have to do is connect this going like this with his recession point and do it on both sides. So I'll demonstrate really quick. His recession point is about right here. So I want to double check. You guys can see now. I'm gonna twist and turn and just grab anything to hold this hair in place. Use this butterfly comb. Now to start our side trim on this back side, I'm gonna want to create a section right here. So the first step is going to be to create a section from here, the temple of the head. We're gonna aim it toward the top of the ear. That's gonna set the foundation for us to be able to go in with our 1.5 to blend that straight into the hair on top. So it's gonna be guideline 1, guideline 2, guideline 3, guideline 4, and we're gonna leave this backside to cut with the top. So here with my index finger, I'm gonna drag. That's our first guideline right there. Scoop under, and we have that cut from the curtain bangs. Second guideline right on top of that. Same thing, we're gonna scoop. Then right here, once it starts getting closer, you start getting more of a grip. I'm literally gonna close my fingers and push and make sure that his head is staying still. Angle my fingers towards over here. So I'm placing almost my knuckle on his scalp. So I'm gonna pull out. Now this guideline is gonna go all the way down. Grab the hair. Once it gets closer to the guideline, I'm gonna start pulling a little bit, and I can kind of already see it. Once it gets over the ear, I'm gonna over direct over here. Make those hairs a little bit longer. And here at the nape, at the bottom, I'm gonna just point cut because I want to keep this a little bit longer towards the bottom. I'm gonna over direct on this side and point cut. The 1.5, I'm gonna flick out about 2 fingers here at the sideburn area. The half guard now, I'm gonna close it and go about a finger above right here. And I'll start slowly opening it little by little. Next with the lever open, no guard. I'm gonna start working my way down. So now that we're done with the sides, I'm gonna go ahead and split. I split everything in half, so it naturally just splits in the center, so that's perfect. So I'm gonna start connecting what is this length right here to the curtain bangs. right, so now that we've connected the top to the sides, I'm gonna do the last step, which is gonna be to get our profile section here in the center, meaning we're gonna go a comb's width here in the center. We cut that little strand of hair, so we're gonna round it off. This is squared. We're gonna round it off towards the shape of his head, conserve the length here. That's the cutting length right there, the cutting line. How do we connect that to the back? All we have to do is just get a hair from the back, connect it. So since I wanna conserve the curtain bangs, I'm going to separate this from the front, separate this from the front. We're just left with this panel now on the back. So we're going to use that piece of hair to cut everything else. You guys can see. Throw some sea salt spray.